Here tonight, all new, the recent Hunter Biden conviction for lying about his drug use on a federal form to buy a gun is bigger than just his case and raises one big question. What does that mean for gun sales to millions of Americans who use marijuana in states where it is legal? Kentucky, as you know, is set to be one of those states next year. Focus investigator John Charlton explains what you need to know about medical marijuana and gun ownership.
At Op Supply in Simpsonville, there is a considerable supply of firearms to choose from for those in the market for a handgun or a rifle.
It's been refinished.
And with any purchase, there's the paperwork that goes with it.
So this is our form. This is our 4473.
The federal form required by the ATF.
We started off by writing the firearm you're getting.
A series of yes or no questions.
Yeah. Are you buying this firearm for you and you only? If you currently have any felonies against you or facing any felony charges, are you a fugitive from justice?
Then turning the page, question 21F.
Are you an unlawful user of, addicted to, marijuana?
Marijuana, lumped in with the use of depressants, stimulants, and narcotic drugs, also comes with a warning.
The use or possession of marijuana remains unlawful under federal law.
And that's regardless of buying a gun in any state where recreational or medical marijuana is now legal. Kentucky has sights set on officially becoming one of those states January 1st.
Individuals who use marijuana, whether or not they have a medical card in Kentucky or any other state, it's still unlawful under federal law to possess a firearm.
That doesn't just mean buying a gun. It also means having guns.
I'm not a pro or negative marijuana guy, but I am a pro Second Amendment, and I feel like this could be something that could potentially deny American citizens the right to their Second Amendment.
The right to bear arms is their business. So any check on yes to 21F, the marijuana question, would be a lost sale for Op Supply.
Have you ever seen anybody check that box?
I have not, actually.
Is there a high probability that some people are lying on it?
There is a high probability, yes.
And especially with this marijuana situation coming up?
Probably the most lied about, if I had to guess.
Lying on the form is serious, punishable by up to 15 years in prison.
$250,000 fine.
However, certain lies,
They are required to tell the truth.
such as marijuana use,
Lying and buying.
the ATF admits can be hard to track, even with the FBI background check.
There's no mechanism in place right now that would raise a red flag against somebody using marijuana for medical reasons.
Currently, that would not occur if absent a criminal history.
With limited resources,
Our priority is violent crimes.
going after state law-abiding medical marijuana users isn't high on the list.
Our time is spent focusing on individuals who pull the trigger to hurt others in the community, individuals that use guns to protect their drug trade, gang crimes, robberies, those type of things.
Lying on the 4473 can still carry consequences, such as if that lie to purchase that gun is later found to be used in a crime and it's eventually traced back. But Supply Ops anticipates many Kentucky gun customers who are also approved medical cannabis customers will take their chances.
If they still want their firearms through a firearms FFL, then yes, they'll have to. Yeah, if they answer truthfully, then they can't get them through us.
In Simpsonville, John Charlton, WHS 11 on your side.
Interesting twist there. Although any use of marijuana is currently federally illegal, the DEA is in the review process of possibly moving marijuana from a Schedule I drug to a Schedule III drug. It's unclear if that could change the gun sale restriction on the ATF form number 4473.